I bought this book at the used bookstore for $1. Now, I worked on barges, communications, construction in ocean settings and in rivers, and there's a lot of ways to collect intelligence on ships and evaluate how big they are, their tonnage, what they're doing, all kinds of things that can add to your base of information when you're gathering intelligence. Now, this $1 book, it covers very well the lighting system on ships. Now, when you're looking at this, you can see that ships have a color code of lighting. And the different lights are arranged different ways depending on how large the ship is, whether the ship is towing barges, whether the ship is towing other ships. And also you can tell the kind of fishing a ship is doing by the lighting scheme that it has. The other thing is at night you can tell the direction the ship is moving in based on the color coding. So this book, this $1 book, gives you a huge amount of information that you can ascertain from ships. So for $1 you can greatly expand your intelligence gathering capabilities. Now I'm going to go one step further, and we're going to look and see about the different kind of flags. Now, when we look at the flags that ships use to communicate, you have some flags that represent letters and numbers. So you can send messages just like you do on a radio. Then we have signaling flags that can tell the state of a ship, what the intentions of a ship are, and whether it is a commercial vessel. So basically we can see that with $1 we can learn a whole lot about ships that surround us, whether they're on rivers or the ocean. So we can take advantage of the ships signaling to each other with flags and know what that means. We can also take advantage of the lighting system on ships, and we can tell a lot about how big they are, what they're doing, and how they're doing it. So please comment, rate, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.